at Crazy Legs Auto Sales. We do a little bit of everything. Hey! Check out this Suburban right here. Well, don't check it out anymore because it's already sold. But the good story is what goes along with the sale of this truck. We'll get into that and a whole lot more today at Davis Auto Sales. So we wrapped up the F450 over there. We've had a lot of black F450s over time, but that one actually came from one of our very good customers that purchased it. Then we traded it in on another almost brand new truck. Then another local customer purchased it, and we just finished up some maintenance for them. So if people are patient and they have the time for us to do things, there's not much we can't do. When there's a deadline, sometimes that's limited. But he wanted a kind of a full service and going over. Ended up having a little shake in the front end, had to address that with alignment, some tire balance, a few other things. Happy to do it for the customer. Also got the 550 cleaned up. That is going to be a monster hauler. If we had gotten it a few days sooner, that would be hauling some trucks down to the show with us today. We are trying to leave out at some point today. Hopefully we'll get everything wrapped up in time to get down there and show you guys what's going on at the OBX Rods and Customs Car Show. Suburban is sold. And it is actually going to a great family of customers that we have. And this is going to complete the trifecta with them. They have a Blazer, which is white. They have one of our perfected 2.0 Platinum crew cab square bodies. And now they have red. So put it all together, what we got, AJ? Red, white, and blue, baby. Red, white, and blue. Just like that. So keeping in effect with their 2.0, their Blazer is 2.0 on Mickey's. Their crew cab is 2.0 on Boggers. This is going to be 2.0, and we're going to surprise you guys with what it gets for tires and wheels. Why are we going to surprise you? Because we hadn't even decided yet. But awesome truck. Thrilled to death for it to go to this family. Met this customer over the phone. Never met him in person with his first purchase. He never came down and looked at the truck. We videoed. I don't even think we FaceTimed. We videoed a lot of videos because it was an older Blazer. And I wanted to show him everything about it. And then he decided he wanted the power steps, which had not even been produced yet. So Brian and Daniel took the time to produce the power steps for that particular generation of Blazer and do all the other upgrades he requested. And he loved it. So it wasn't long after that he came along for the crew cab. And the crew cab worked out great because we were building it and actually taking it to this event. We took it to this event we're going to, rode it around the whole weekend, came back, took it to another local show, drove it around quite a bit more. This time he did come in, touched, felt, looked the truck over, loved it, had a couple things he wanted us to do, made it happen. Also got that one delivered to him. And now that truck is actually on Davis off-road wheels. Originally it was not, and he did have an issue with a wheel. Not going to name the brand of the company, but the wheel that was on it was not a Davis off-road wheel, and it did fail. So we ended up putting him on a set of Davis off-road wheels. So that truck's perfected and done. Both those trucks went to several shows last year and turned out great. Now this one has an identical interior to his 2.0 blue square body. It has the steps. Now it's getting the 2.0 package. Hey, even better. Let me tell you this story. So he said, Jay, we're going to come down. His father passed away. He had his father's truck. A extremely low mileage, like a teenage mile, late model 2024, let's call it. Maybe a 25, 23, I don't know. Something in that neighborhood. He said, we're going to come down. I want to bring that truck to you. You can buy it from me. You can sell it for me, whatever you want to do, and we'll look at the Suburban. I said, excellent, no problem. So on a Saturday morning, they jump in their brand new truck to come down here. And guess what, guys? The brand new truck broke down. Everything breaks. But when the brand new truck broke down, guess what had to happen? It had to go to the dealer. Nobody else could work on it. Nobody can figure that stuff out unless you go to the dealer or you go to a great shop like the one we have up the road, Express, and TJ is the master magician of things, but you're still going to spend the labor to fix it one way or the other. They break. It's a brand new truck. It left them on the side of the road. That probably would never do that. And guess what? If it does do that, you can go to Advance or Napa and pick up any piece or part that you want. That's the beauty part. So that's my rant on that for people that think spending money on an old vehicle is not worthwhile. The other thing is, let's just say the fuel pump failed. I don't know what it costs on a new truck, but I'm just going to throw it out there. It's probably $1,000 to $1,500. You know how much a fuel pump is for this? At our cost, it's $20-some. You know how much labor it is? As long as you got a couple hand tools and a screwdriver, you can do it on the side of the road. Ask me how I know. Had it happen recently. So, and every Advance, Napa, AutoZone, CarQuest, Federated, they all have the part in stock. You don't have to wait for it. Same with the water pump, same with the alternator, same with everything else. This is going to be a great truck. Look at the cool little features. And I don't know how much of this we're going to change. I'm completely leaving that up to them. I know we are taking the roof rack off, for sure. I don't know if we're leaving the hat rack or not. AJ says we need to keep the hat. That right there was all the files on the thing. And again, some people like recently on some of the Facebook posts, why do you show things that are not for sale? And I can just picture them behind their keyboard. Why do you put stuff on there that's not for sale? I'm going to report you. I'm reporting you for spam. Well, go ahead. Tattle on it. Yeah, he's being a bad boy. He's being a bad boy. You guys, there's. I don't even know. AJ's gonna die behind the camera. We see so much funny stuff, guys. You just have to take humor in it, and we take so light to it. And here recently, I've been responding to a few, and here's one of my responses. I screenshot to AJ because he sometimes doesn't want to be as politically correct as we need to be. I try to keep it on a tame level. You can't let these people get to you. But my response was, sir, are people not allowed to own personal vehicles? I think it was about the 10-door Suburban. I think it's the one they were asked about. It was either that or Brown Bear. And I was like, can people not own a personal vehicle? Question mark, for one. For two, there are people that create content all day long on vehicles they own because people like watching about cool things. We could just do square body content all day long and not have a business. And that would develop a whole lot of following and we could concentrate on it better. Three, we have to have vehicles in our arsenal. We choose to because we want to be the shop that you come to. And Daniel says, you know, have you ever seen a 12-inch truck? No. Well, guess what? Run up the street and you can get in one. You can sit in it. You can steer it. You can drive it. You can check the steps. We have every example there is. Or how about an 8-inch truck? Or how about a 4-inch truck? We have all the examples possible. We're fortunate to be able to do that. So that was 3. I think number 4 was just go fly a kite or something. I mean, what was it? It was it was pretty much just just go F a kite somewhere, you know, whatever. So yeah, you can suck it. Well, it was kind of humorous, but you know, when we go through a line of vehicles and say this one's not for sale, you know, it's just not for sale. It is. Those are the reasons, guys. 1, we do love having our personal vehicles, and we're allowed to do that. 2, we like having examples for our customers. I like having this one here stock. I'm happy with what he's doing with it. I'm thrilled. Oh, he's going to add 2 extra lug nuts to each wheel also. 8 lug conversion, Dana 60, 14 bolt, rear disc brakes, and full springs in the back with no block, which is not able to be done with 12 inches on a Suburban. There you go, AJ. AJ's got it. So here's your before. AJ, take a little spin around it after we clip this. We'll do it now too. But then I want to be like, bam, and we'll park it in the same spot. That'll be good. We always forget to do that. We always forget to do that. I mean, this dude even wired up a jumper cable lead right here that you could also use for powering extra things or jump starting your new Silverado when it doesn't start. Silverado. Cool truck. Really happy with what it's doing. Even more happy with the customer it's going to. And you guys probably figure that out by now. We really do enjoy our customers and interacting with them. This customer was able to come to the Bloomsburg show with us. We had him in our booth area. Him, his sons, great time to fellowship. It was awesome. I mean, it really was a fun time, and they are from Maryland. So not too far away, pretty close. When this one gets done, they will drop off one of their others for some other upgrades that now we can do, and then probably swap that one out for some upgrades on the other one. So they're probably headed there. OBX bound. Everybody's ahead of us. Some people are ahead of us by a week. We will get out of here at some point today and get there late as usual, and we're going to arrive to a parade of rain. Yay. Yeah, so they're going to welcome us into town with rain. Constant pouring rain. We'll take the bucket truck you saw the guy operating yesterday. We're going to do a final check over on that, and I think that deal's a wrap. And Alvin is around back getting Grimace cleaned up. Grimace been at home. Grimace been at home. Grimace went to that, yep, and hasn't been anywhere since. Yeah. Yep. So Grimace going to the show. I'll just go ahead and say it. Grimace going to the show. Daniel has been working really hard, and last year we unveiled Brian's dually, and I was really hoping to unveil Daniel's dually this year. He's been working really hard on a dually project. He might get a little upset I told you guys. But either way, there's the stainless bed. We even had somebody argue about that online. It's not stainless, it's aluminum. No, it's not. Why argue? Why argue about it? Like, it's stainless. I don't understand. But anyway, thank goodness we don't need to use it to put any chemical on our driveway because it's not snowing. Crazy weather we have, it might snow. But anyway, Daniel kind of threw in the towel. He's been building this over a very short period of time. I don't know how long, but it's been a short period of time for a full project. And it is basically a full frame off build. I won't tell you anymore. I'm going to let it surprise you. Whether it's up in the air, whether it's on the ground, whether it's in between. And Brandy, his wife, is actually going to drive this quite a bit. So she's really excited. She'll have a truck for her, which now means that probably me and Brian are going to have a truck for the women. And Trista will probably want one. And Blakely already wants one. And, so I guess we'll just be building a lot more trucks. So, in other news, extended cab is no longer for sale. So, AJ, you can take that off the website. Did you want to read blind between the lines? We made a decision. There'll be one more truck that you will be able to see that's not for sale, people, and you'll get aggravated about it probably, but you know what? It had to be done. That truck deserved it, so that's what we're going to make happen. So we'll get Grimace washed up. We're going to wrap everything else up, and we will see you guys in a little bit. All right, we're finishing the day out. Somehow I've already lost a pair of sunglasses, misplaced those. And we've lost Arnold. Don't know where Arnold went. He's getting ready to clean some stuff, and he was here, now he's gone. So we got a lot of stuff disappearing today. We did get a couple of tow trucks cleaned up and finished. AJ got them rephotographed. Lots and lots and lots and lots of different tow truck and rollback vehicles in stock and for rent. We need to put together an actual rental video so people understand about the rental process, how it works, how we do things. We also have Monty and Ms. Mary's truck sitting out front. Put it out there front and center by itself because it stands so tall. That's a truck that's under 30 grand that you guys can buy confidently. It just made a 1,000-mile trip to get here. Great people. You guys saw them in some of the videos. Actually, they're going to be in the video tomorrow, right, AJ? Sitting down, giving a little, I just want y'all to know before y'all see that video, I did ask them to do it, but I stepped out. Matter of fact, I stepped out to go move some vehicles around because AJ was filming them. And I just said, hey, y'all been here. You kind of experienced things a lot of people don't see. You're from another different area. You've been a customer from afar. Now you've been a customer from up close. And tell us what your thoughts are. And I haven't even seen the video. Don't even know what they said. But AJ's going to clip it in for tomorrow's video. Thanks, guys, for all the support. Just want to tell you and remind you, even Elon Musk has the same he has the same 24 hours and 7 days a week. He doesn't have 40 hours yet. He might be making a time machine. But he's got the same 24 hours in this day that we have. Make the most of it. People complain, people hate, people get jealous. There is nothing in this world that you can't accomplish. Please remember that. No matter where you are in life, on the downslope, the upslope, things going on, it's always greener on the other side according to what you see. Make it greener on the other side. You've got the same 24 hours in a day to make it happen. Just do it. You can do anything. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.